What if I tell you that there's a lot of money on this social media? There's a lot of money on the phone you're holding, be it itel, be it Android, be it an iPhone and Apple products. What if I tell you that there's a lot of money going on, there's a lot of circulation, there are a lot of people making money from the same phone we are holding? But just like our teachers in secondary school usually tell us in orientation, they will say that the distance, a thin line, that's a thin line between the rich and the thick and the poor, the rich and the poor, is just information. That information is the line differentiating the rich and the poor. And there's a lot of information going on, but the thing is, who is going to inform you? That's why Nigerians usually say follow who no roads, or ga follow who no road. Yes, and that is it, because when you know sabi roads, na so e dey be. Because you dey hold phone, if you hold that phone, you dey sub data, you do things, you watch video online, but you don't know that you too can also use it and make money. That is why in today's video I'm going to show you something so ridiculous, and something that I believe you are going to try out if you are an educational personnel. Yes, I said educational personnel because this video is for educationists, because use it. It's a website I'm going to show you. And before I continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Basi Ejugbajon, and I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar. And in my channel, I talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. That means if you love any of this content, please don't hesitate to click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I post a new video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And in today's video, just like I said, that I'm going to pass out an information which has been working 100%. It has been working, but the thing is, you don't know about it, especially those that can write. Yes, mathematics teacher, what is it called, social study, home economics. You can write essay, you can write letter, but you are not getting paid. You feel like you are wasting your talents. Worry no more. In today's video, I'm going to show you a website where you can sign up as a tutor. When you sign up as a tutor, you get verified and you start getting gigs where you can start making little bucks. I personally am on it, and I believe I'm going to make money from it. I'm going to cash out. You understand? I'm going to cash out from this website because I can write, and I cannot waste a platform where it's going to show me where I'll put my writing. You answer questions and you get paid. So watch this video to the end. I will use a screen recording, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. Subscribe, tell them to subscribe so that they will also get updates anytime I post a video like this, and so that it can also help me grow. Let's go. It's as easy as possible without wasting much time. Is you go to your Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. If you are using Opera Mini, you can use it. If you are using Firefox, if you are using any browser of your choice, but just make sure it's a browser. And you can just type in this keyword I'm showing now, tutor bean on your browser. As it says, tutor bean, homework help, become a tutor, student dashboard, and stuff like that. Let's check questions that people ask. I'm just showing you that tutor bean is very legit. It says, is tutor being confidential? It says yes, we keep your data very safe. Additionally, all solutions and services rendered are completely confidential. And you can see here that how do I become a tutor being tutor? It says you register, sign up with us, and embark on your journey of online tutoring. You get questions, you get paid, and you submit solutions. So now I'm going to show you. They said number one thing is to sign up. So I'm going to go to and search for tutorbean.com. tutorbean.com. Oh yes, this is tutorbean.com, and you click on the first one you see there. The first stuff you see on the search result, it says this is the dashboard of tutorbean.com. It says, as you can see here, this is where you can drop your assignment. This is also for students in case you're looking for where you can do your assignment, you understand. So this is the stuff about Tutorbean. It says make impossible deadlines possible. So if you have been given a hard assignment in your college and you don't know how to go about it, you can come here to Tutorbean and you see expert of the field that will guide you. You can also see a live session. So this live session is, you can have a live session with your tutor as a student. This is for you as a student. All these particular parts here, speech writing. So they can also write speech for you that you have A's. So this is for students, math solver and stuff like that. It says complete homework help in 4 steps. Number 1 step is you sign up, fill in your details at the Tutorbean. Number 2 is you place your order. You tell them, okay, solve this particular stuff for me. Number 3, you make your payment, and number 4, you get your solution. It is as easy as that. And these are some of the benefits of Tutorbean. Is no plagiarism. That means if someone is a tutor is solving your stuff for you, there will be no plagiarism and stuff like that. So you can also come here to this aspect and you click on the facts. Facts means frequently asked questions. You can come here and click on their facts. It says Tutorbean is an online tutoring portal designed to assist students. So as you can see, it is just meant to assist students. Students are encouraged to seek solutions for the academic queries from our cart of experienced online tutors to get high quality, detailed and in-time solutions. So this is the Tutorbean user interface. You understand? It also says how to find a tutor and stuff like that. It says how do I create my account. If you click on there, you can see if you just come here on this particular platform, you understand, if you come here, you just be reading things, understand, on how you can go about it and how you too can also be a Tutorbean tutor. So what you do without wasting of time, because this is your first time on the platform, you click on sign up. Please guys, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, please. So here is sign up and you will get up to 20 discounts. What you just simply do is you put in your mobile number. You understand? You put in your mobile number and put in mine. Okay, no. You understand? You put in your mobile number. And every stuff like that. This thing is working and legit because I've seen a lot of people did it and they have cashed out from it. You understand? They will help you and do your assignment. You as a tutor, you will help students and do their assignment, and those students will pay you at the end of the assignment. So guys, go and try out this website Tutorbean, and when you try out, you get up to a discount of $20 as a student, and as a teacher, you sign up, you start having works, and you deliver at the exact time they tell you to deliver, and you start making money. So guys, just go and check this stuff out. Drop a comment in the comment section so that I will know where you're facing difficulty maybe in the registration process, which I don't think there's too much of problem here, because it just require your email and your password and you create an account. So guys, go and try it out. I really love you. Thank you.